Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can complete Steve's lost key quest. So go to the Lost Isle first, and obviously you will need a diving gear for that because you will need a dive. We're going to find the key first in this video, and then on the second video I will be showing you guys where the coins are. So let's dive, and we are going to go to the left. I can just dive faster, and we will need to talk to Scuba Steve first. Sorry. Talk to Scuba Steve. And is there anything I can help you with? This one. Okay. And then should be here. Okay, so we will need to go to the Tropical Grove first, and you'll be able to find the key there. I'll show you in a minute where it is. If I could just get out of this water. Okay, so let's go to the Tropical Grove. Okay, once you've reached Tropical Grove, you are going to walk here. Oh my gosh, we are walking slow. We are going to go up these stairs. And then, if you see, am I here yet? Okay. There will be like a trash bin, and the key will be on it. So you're just going to pick it up. And then you're going to bring it back to Steve, and we'll see you in the next video for where the coins are at. And yeah, that is pretty much where the key is. You're just going to return to Steve, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.